Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a spotlight effects in CapCut. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and import your videos. Then just duplicate your video so you have 3 clips total. Like this. And then move the 2 duplicates into the overlay track. Like this. Next, lower the brightness of both overlay clips. After that, just go to mask and then choose horizontal and then rotate it vertically. And then just adjust the positions like this. Then just repeat this step for the second overlay clips to create a spotlight shape. Maybe like this. Now increase the feather to make the edge smoother. Like this. And then just go back to the main clips and slightly increase the brightness. And then just tap export. Now just go back to your project again. And then delete both overlay clips and reset the brightness of the main video to its original level. Like this. And then add a keyframes at the start of the main clips. And then move forward a bit on the timeline and add another keyframes. Like this. And at this second keyframes, just lower the brightness to match the 2 overlay clips from earlier. Next, just import the exported clips and add it as an overlay. Make it as an overlay, like this. Next, just go to mask again, and then choose horizontal, and slide the mask upward like this. And then add a keyframes at the start of the overlay, like this. And add another keyframes aligned with the second keyframes on the main clip, like this. Then add one more keyframes at the end of the clips, like this. And in this last keyframe, just drag the mask down until it fully covers the main clips. Lastly, just adjust the feather to smooth out the transitions. And let's play the video. And that's it, you just get a clean dramatic spotlight effects. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!